I wish making money in life was as easy as lying in bed as I am right now. I know it's totally arguable. I know some people are making money out there just by lying down in bed, either moving or not moving. It all depends, so many factors. But in my case, I am making small money here and there through some of the videos that I do, and hopefully you people out there are going to watch my videos, and then I'm gonna make a lot of money lying down in bed. Imagine if it was that easy, because sometimes getting up, getting on the grind, it can be super stressful and tiring. Yes, making money in bed can come in so many ways, especially if you are an investor, or if you inherited businesses, or if you have I'm talking about inheriting, or if you have generational wealth, or if just let's just say you have a good family that is keeping you alive and stress free. Because of course, if you have to go out there and look for money like I do, I was not born rich and I was not born poor. So richness and poverty all depend on your mental state. But in this case, I'm talking about uh, financial capability. So I'll say I was born in a family that didn't have much going on, but at least thank God that we had the basic needs. But as we grow up, I come to realize that it's not how hard you work, but let me just say, not necessarily smartly either, but man, it all takes some level of effort, whether it's waking up, going to work, I'm talking about 9 to 5 jobs, or get up, take your camera, do your thing as a content creator. I mean, content creation is big now in the big 2026. So people are making now so much money, especially the women. There are so many avenues, whether morally correct or I know you understand what I'm talking about. There's so many ways to make money, but the thing is, I'm yet to understand those people who say that money is not everything. Still, another thing that is arguable is that money is not everything, but money, if you live in the city, or let's just say in general, money makes things super easy. So what is success? Because growing up, there are so many definitions of success, but they are all tied on how financially stable you are or how financially free you are. So in this case, I'm just here now to air my thoughts. Nothing much to say. I'm just lying in bed and thinking, how can I make money without leaving this bed? Because I enjoy going out, all right? Point number one, meeting people, working with people out there, but it can get stressful. I am a loner. I prefer staying alone, but sometimes I can get into my head and the thoughts start racing, anxiety, panic attacks. I've experienced all those things, but solitude can bring out some of the best qualities in you. You get to understand who you are and what you really want in life. And for me, from my solitude, today being on a Sunday and my day off from work, I'm thinking how I can make all the money I want, all right, for different reasons. Could be I'm in debt, all right, I'm in different debts here and there. I'm looking for money for my investments, for my family. I mean, there's so many things going on in my life that need money. And I'm thinking how I can make money while lying in bed. And one of the ways that I can make money lying in bed is by making these videos. I have this YouTube channel that I've been running where you're watching this video for. I opened this channel in 2017 and I've always seen myself as a big creator, cashing out big from YouTube. But so far, it takes me close to 4 months to make 70 euros. That is just to meet the YouTube payment threshold. I mean, why? What's happening to this channel? How can I make more valuable content that I can cash out thousands, millions of euros just by doing the videos in this bed. It's a good challenge. I will try to do as many videos as I can. The difference between a dreamer and people who get things done is action. So we can all dream, but few of us choose to act on our dreams. So here I am with this video. This is day one. I don't know what to call it. I don't know whether to optimize it for the algorithm or you people are going to find this content out there. Let's see how this plays. Enjoy yourself. Have a good time. Take care.